Yeah, welcome to part two of application of my major triad chords. That is application of chord 1, chord 4, chord 5 to accompanying simple chord choruses. This part 2 is going to be majorly in the native languages. Yoruba language, there's one that is mixture of Igbo language with English, and there's another one with pure Igbo language, then Delta language, that's Urobo, precisely. So, like the first one says, Ijinle nínú ìjìnlẹ̀. Look at it goes like this. Ijinle nínú ìjìnlẹ̀. Actually, you have chord far. Ijinle nínú So there's a kind of what do you call it? The chord supposed to come in the count of 4, and the song is now coming in on the count of 3 on the chord. So that's why it looks as if when you play, look at it. 1, 2. Ijinle nínú ìjìnlẹ̀. So the chord will have come in 1, 2. Then on the count of 3, the song comes in. Look at it. 1, 2. Ìjìnlẹ̀ nínú ìjìnlẹ̀. Ẹ ṣeun o. Ìjìnlẹ̀ nínú ìjìnlẹ̀. Ẹ ṣeun o. That is chord 1, chord 4, back to chord 1, then chord 5, then you end it. Then you have the second one, says, Eze, Eze, Eze. You alone worthy deserve the praise. Eze, Eze, Eze. You alone deserve the praise. You see that? Then there's another one. Obala. That's on chord 4. Obala, Obatoga. This one too, that the chord supposed to have come in at the count of 3. I mean, on the count of 3, before the song will come in. Obala, Obatoga. I think on the count of 2. Sorry, it's meant to be held for 1, 2, 3, 4. Then when you start after the count of 1, on the count of 2, that's when the song will come in. Look at it. Obala, Obatoga, Edumare, Obatoga. You can see that. Then there's another one starting with chord 4. Do, 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 ogene do, ogene do. You can see that. Then this one says Ebami, more like it looked more like Obala, but it's a bit different because this one has an extension of Igbo language. Yeah. Obala, Obatoga, Edumare, Obatoga, Igwe. Igwe, 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 Eze ndị eze, ịdị egwu, onye na-abịa ọzọ, ịdị egwu, onye dịka gị, onye dịka Chukwu, ọmalịcha. Agune chamber 1, Fuleya elu, Fule Jesus elu, Fuleya elu, Fule Jesus elu. Then go back to Igwe, 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 Igwe. So let's add same beat and let's see how it's going to be. Let's add beat to say. Good to go. Ijinle nínú ìjìnlẹ̀. Ẹ ṣeun o. Ijinle nínú ìjìnlẹ̀. Chord 5. Ẹ ṣeun o. Ijinle ninu ijinle. That's chord 4. Echewo. That's chord 1. Ijinle ninu ijinle. That's chord 5. Echewo. Ano mi sọ̀rọ̀. Echewo. Oni mi sọ̀rọ̀. Echewo. Ọlá mi á sọ̀rọ̀ ògo. Echewo. Ìjìnlẹ̀ nínú ìjìnlẹ̀. Echewo. Octave chord. Ìjìnlẹ̀ nínú ìjìnlẹ̀. Echewo. Ìjìnlẹ̀ nínú ìjìnlẹ̀. Echewo. Àná mi sọ̀rọ̀. Echewo. Òní mi sọ̀rọ̀. Echewo. Ọlá mi á sọ̀rọ̀ ògo. Echewo. Ìjìnlẹ̀ nínú ìjìnlẹ̀. Echewo. Esem. You alone deserve the praise. There's single verse now. Esem. You alone deserve the praise. Chord now, both ends. Esem. You alone deserve the praise. Do, organedo. Then octave bass now. Do. Sorry about that. Organedo. Let's take it again. Chord 4, octave bass. Do. Organedo. One more time. Do. Organedo. Now let's take this other one. Igwe is in this. Okay, let's go. Ready? Igwe. Octave brass I'm using now. Igwe. Let me use single note bass now on the left. Igwe. Chord of both ends now. Igwe. If Diego onye nabi ọzọ, if Diego onye dịka gị, onye dịka Chukwu, ọmalịcha agụ na-eche mbawa, fule ya elu. Fule Jesus elu, fule yam elu, fule Jesus elu. Let me use octave bass. Ezendieze, Idiego, onye nabi ọzọ, Idiego, onye dịka gị, onye dịka Chukwu. Oh, Malicha, Agone Chamber One. Vuleya, elu, vule Jesus, elu, vuleya, elu, vule Jesus, elu, igwe, say, igwe, 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 igwe. It is sweet. So you can see that use any style, either chords on both ends, single note bass, or you use octave bass. All are very sweet. They are very interesting. Just do your work, make a choice. You can alternate, you can change at any time. But when you are playing it, on a band, you're playing with other instrumentalists. The very moment there's a bass player, a bass guitar player, you can leave the bass line, the bass part of the keyboard for the bass player to cover that. You just maintain chord on both ends. You get it now? So do that. So that when you are playing bass on both ends, you'll not be, confusing the bass guitar player or double playing, because the rhythm he is playing might not be the same with your own. But if you can manage it well, why not? You can play this together. But ideally, once you have a bass guitar player, you don't do this. Just maintain your chord on both hands. So that's how it goes. Thank you. Keep on working on this. Keep working, keep working, keep working till I come your way next time. Thank you.